In this short video, I'll show you how to sell stock on Robinhood quickly and easily. So we're going to have the app loaded up here in real time. So right over here, we're on the main page of Robinhood. If we scroll down, we can see all the different stock that we have ownership in. And what we can do is click on whichever and one we're interested in selling. So as an example, we're gonna click on the trade button right here, the green, and then it's gonna bring up some options. We have to click on sell, and it's tell us that we can sell in dollar amount. If you click on the top right hand corner, you see all the different order type. Again, because we have less than a quantity of one, we're not going to be able to go through any of these other options. If I want to, I can sell all the share by clicking share all or sell all, and it's gonna show the full dollar amount, and then I can just swipe up right over here. It's fully sold. It's gonna go into my buying pause. So you can see here it popped up saying that it's sold. So if I go ahead and scroll back up now, you can see my buying powers has increased. Because of that money going back into my account, then I can go ahead and spend or withdraw however I need. If you like the video, give me thumbs up.